Tired of your space feeling cramped and cluttered? These smart furniture pieces are about to save you tons of space without sacrificing style or comfort. From clever storage solutions to multifunctional designs, they work harder so your room doesn't have to. All links are in the description below. Every kid's room just became a whole lot cooler. This gaming loft bed packs a full bedroom, study space, and hangout zone into one seriously smart piece of furniture. Sleep up to top, and underneath you've got a built-in desk, storage cabinets, and even a hanging rack for clothes, so the floor actually stays clear for once. LED lights glow beneath the bed frame, setting the perfect mood for gaming, homework, or just chilling. Built from solid pine wood with full guardrails and a sturdy ladder, it holds up to 350 pounds and is built to last well past the gaming phase. Bending down to sweep never made anyone's day, so stop doing it. This under-counter vacuum tucks in visibly beneath your kitchen cabinets and sucks up crumbs, dust, and debris the moment you brush it their way. No dustpan, no bending, no fuss, just a quick sweep toward the base and the floor is clean. It charges discreetly in place and kicks on with one touch, making it the easiest cleanup upgrade your kitchen never knew it needed. Slim enough to disappear completely under any standard cabinet toe kick. The ceiling just became your TV's new home. This motorized ceiling mount drops your TV down from above on command and swivels a full 360 degrees so every seat in the room gets the perfect view. It handles screens up to 86 inches, making it ideal for open concept spaces where one TV needs to serve the kitchen, dining area, and living room all at once. When you're done watching, it retracts silently back into the ceiling, completely out of sight. It's the kind of setup that stops guests mid-sentence. A coffee table that works as hard as you do without ruining your living room's vibe. This modern oval table features a beautiful fluted texture that adds depth and dimension to any space, making it look far more expensive than it is. The real trick is the lift top. A smooth hydraulic system raises the surface to a comfortable height so you can eat, work, or scroll from your sofa without hunching over. Underneath, a hidden compartment swallows blankets, remotes, books, and anything else cluttering your living room. Rounded corners keep it safe, and an open lower shelf adds even more storage without adding bulk. The floor has a secret, and only you know where it is. This heavy-duty floor hatch blends seamlessly into any flooring surface, creating a completely invisible entry to your basement, crawl space, or hidden storage room below. Despite disappearing underfoot, it holds up to 1,100 pounds, so heavy furniture sits right on top without a second thought. Two suction cup handles make lifting effortless, and built-in hydraulic rods prop the door open at a full 90 degrees so both hands stay free. It's custom cut to your exact floor opening, so the fit is always perfect. Your bathroom mirror has been underachieving. This one's ready to fix that. This large LED mirrored cabinet does it all. It lights up, defrogs itself, and even magnifies 3 times, so your skincare and makeup routine is always on point. The lighting dims from soft, warm to bright daylight with a touch, delivering over 50,000 hours of consistent glow that flatters rather than blinds. Inside, 3 adjustable glass shelves keep all your essentials neatly stored behind soft, close doors that shut quietly every time. What if your kitchen had a secret room? This walk-through pantry cabinet is a full hidden storage space tucked right into your home. Open the doors, and an entire organized pantry appears. It's the perfect disguise for a messy kitchen or overflowing shelves, keeping everything out of sight but completely within reach. Floor-to-ceiling storage means you can finally fit everything: dry goods, appliances, cleaning supplies, without cramming it all into overhead cabinets. Close the doors and your kitchen looks calm, clean, and completely put together. Your entryway does a lot of work. This cabinet finally pulls its weight too. This deep traditional style shoe cabinet fits up to 14 pairs behind 2 tidy compartments, so the pile by the door is officially gone. 2 drawers keep the small everyday essentials, keys, chargers, letters, right where you need them as you head out. 4 side hooks handle jackets and bags, turning one slim cabinet into a full entryway organizer. Raised legs make floor cleaning a breeze, and the wooden knobs give it that warm, crafted look that never goes out of style. Your bookcase has been hiding a secret this whole time. This Italian wall bed folds completely out of sight behind a full revolving bookcase. Guests see shelves. You know better. One smooth rotation and a queen bed appears, ready to sleep on without moving a single book. It's the ultimate space-saving trick for studio apartments, home offices, or any room pulling double duty. Italian engineering means it looks stunning and works seamlessly every single time. Not every table needs to be the center of the room. This one thrives behind the sofa. This long counter-height console table brings serious industrial character with a 2-tone finish of warm distressed brown and aged gunmetal gray. It's tall enough to double as a standing workspace or casual dining spot for up to 3 people. Pair it with matching stools, and you've instantly carved out a cool eating or working nook without sacrificing square footage. Assembly takes about 15 minutes. Then it's ready to pull the whole room together. It looks like a shelf. That's the whole point. This wall-mounted floating shelf hides a secret compartment behind its clean, minimal exterior. No one walking into the room would ever suspect a thing. The hidden drawer unlocks instantly with an RFID tag, giving you quick access when it matters without fumbling with keys or combinations. Inside, there's enough space for a handgun and essentials, all tucked behind a polished walnut wood finish that looks right at home in any room. Security that doesn't look like security, that's the smartest kind. A table that grows with the moment? Now that's a good dinner guest. This sleek, white extendable table seats 4 on a regular Tuesday and stretches to fit 6 when company comes over. The extra leaf hides neatly underneath, so there's no hunting through closets before the guests arrive. One person can extend it in seconds, and a concealed lock snaps everything flush. No awkward gaps, no wobble. The smooth, lacquered surface wipes clean effortlessly, so it looks sharp from dinner to breakfast and back again. Some chairs just sit there. This one does something more. This oversized accent chair with matching storage ottoman wraps you in cloud-soft boucle fabric, a loop texture that looks luxurious and quietly repels spills. It's roomy enough for 2, backed by high-density foam and a solid plywood frame built to last. The ottoman isn't just a footrest. Flip open the top and you've got hidden storage inside. 3 decorative pillows are included, so it's ready to style your space straight out of the box. Your wall just turned into a hidden workstation. This fold-down wooden table mounts right onto the wall and disappears when you're done using it. You can use it for work, meals, or quick projects without needing a permanent desk. The solid wood surface feels sturdy and reliable, even with daily use. When you're finished, it folds flat so your space looks clean and open again. Your sofa just became a full living space upgrade. This sectional doesn't just give you a place to sit. It hides storage, extra seating, and even a pull-out bed inside. You can stretch out, host guests, or just relax with everything you need within reach. The adjustable headrests let you set your comfort exactly how you like it. It's one piece that turns your living room into something way more flexible without adding clutter. Your coffee table just learned a whole new trick. This transforming table starts low and compact, then lifts and expands into a full dining setup in seconds. You can go from solo lounging to hosting a group without changing rooms. The smooth height adjustment makes it easy to switch modes whenever you need. It's one piece that adapts to your day instead of taking up extra space. Your bed just got a hidden upgrade. This storage bed lifts up to reveal a massive space underneath for all the things you don't want lying around. You can store extra bedding, clothes, or anything you want out of sight but still easy to reach. The smooth lift mechanism does the heavy work for you, so it opens without effort. It's comfort on top and smart storage underneath. Ironing doesn't have to take over your entire room. This wall-mounted cabinet hides a full ironing board right behind a sleek mirror. Just pull the lever and it folds down smoothly, ready to use in seconds. You get a sturdy surface that handles heat well, so wrinkles disappear faster and easier. When you're done, fold it back up and enjoy a clean, clutter-free space again. Laundry usually takes over your space, but this setup gives it a wall of its own. This wall-mounted drying rack folds out to handle loads of clothes without touching your floor. You get 2 levels, so you can hang long and short items at the same time with ease. The top rack pulls down smoothly, making everything easy to reach without stretching. When the clothes are dry, it folds flat and disappears like it was never there. Your wall just became your smartest piece of furniture. This folding table stays flat and out of the way, then opens up in seconds when you need it. You can use it for meals, work, or even a quick coffee setup without taking over your space. The sturdy build gives you a reliable surface while keeping things sleek and minimal. When you're done, just fold it back and reclaim your room instantly. That awkward space under your stairs doesn't have to go to waste. This built-in storage setup turns it into a clean, organized zone you'll actually use every day. You can tuck away shoes, books, or seasonal items without cluttering the rest of your home. The design blends right into your staircase, so everything looks seamless and intentional. It's a smart way to add storage without taking up any extra space. That empty space behind your TV is wasted potential. This slim storage rack turns it into a hidden spot for your everyday essentials. You can stash remotes, routers, cables, or even small decor without cluttering your room. The sturdy design keeps everything secure while staying completely out of sight. It's a simple way to clean up your setup without adding bulky furniture. Storage that actually feels like decor is rare. This arched wood cabinet adds a soft, mid-century look while quietly hiding your everyday clutter. You get adjustable shelving inside, so you can fit everything from books to dishes your way. The soft closed doors keep things smooth and quiet every time you use it. Place one or line up a few, and you've got a clean, custom setup that still feels warm and unique. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.